So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Woo! Look at what it is! This is a steam train, and today we are in Chehalis, Washington, and we are going to learn about trains! Whoa! Look! Now I'll show you all the parts of the exterior of the train. Like these down here. Whoa! Look at the giant wheels. Whoa, there's so many of them. Wow. There's another one. Whoa! Oh, look at this one right here. Woo! And look up here. Wow. That big thing up there? Yeah. That's the firebox. That's what heats up all the water and it creates steam, which is pressure. And then up there, that's the stack, and then the bell, and then the whistle. Ooh. And back here, right there, that's the cab. That's where the operators of the train sit. Ooh, and come back here. This is the tender. Ooh, and look over here. Those are the cars of the train. Wow! Now we're inside the cab of the train, and I'm with the engineer, and his name is Rick. Hey, Rick.
Hi.
Okay. And I'm over here with the fireman, and his name is Robert. Hey.
Hello.
And they are gonna explain some of the interior parts of the train. Hey, so what's this thing?
This is called the Johnson bar. Makes the engine go forward, or if I go over here, makes it go backward.
Oh, can
you
I
wanna
try?
that? You go ahead.
All right.
I dare you.
Okay. Whoa, that's hard. Whoa. Okay. Okay, now I'll go back. Whoa. Going back's even harder. Ah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, so we decide which direction we're going. We control our speed with the throttle, like a gas pedal in a car.
Ooh.
So I pull that out, we'll go faster.
Whoa.
All right?
And push it forward, and then you go slower.
And I can shut it clear off.
Okay.
The other thing I do is I've got a whistle up here to warn people that we're coming at a crossing. Try that?
Whoa. Yeah, sure. Oh. Here we go. Wow, that's cool.
And then the other thing I have to do is once in a while to stop the train. This stops the train here, like that. And this one is for the engine only, independent of the train.
And what's this down here?
That's a big fire in there. We're heating water to make steam. That gives us the energy to go.
Oh, wait, so fire, and that's the fireman over here. So what's this thing?
This handle, I can make the fire get bigger or smaller.
Ooh.
Go like this.
Whoa.
See? Got a little more orange?
Yep.
That's a little less orange.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. And so you sit here and do all the fire stuff, and is there anything else that you do?
Yeah, I gotta ring the bell to make sure people get out of the way if we're moving. See, I pull this rope. It rings.
Cool. Can I try?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, that's cool. Well, thank you, gentlemen. All aboard! Now it's time for all the passengers to load on up so we can go for a ride. Okay, now it's my turn to ride the train. So come on, you can join with me. Whoa. Ooh, look over here. Wow, this is the inside car where it's all enclosed. That looks cool, but hey, let's go over there so then we can ride the train in the outside. Come on. Oh, hello.
Thanks.
Whoa, see, now we're outside. This is gonna be so much fun. The wheels were a-turnin' and the smoke was a-puffin'. Off we go. Wow, it's so green over here in the field. Look! Woo! Here come some trees. Whoa, do you see that? Wow, look at that beautiful pond right there. Oh, so much green. I don't know what type of plants those are, but they kind of look like lily pads. Oh, wow. Okay, we were outside, but now we're inside in an enclosed car. What a beautiful ride. Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Oh, all across the country there are many train tracks and so many trains that roll on through. I can only imagine how much fun I'd be having if I was riding on the caboose.
That's the back of the train.
I try to count all the train cars, but there are so many flying by.
1, 2, 3, 4, and there's even more! Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Some trains are made to transport people.
I've been on one, how about you?
Some move cargo miles and miles.
Some move oil or fruit.
Every time a train goes by, I wonder what could be inside.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day watching you go choo-choo. Now let's do the locomotive locomotion. You pull the whole train all by yourself, and you only gotta say one thing. Chugga 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 chugga.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
I could spend all day
here comes the train. That was so much fun watching, singing, and dancing to the train song with you. Hey, if you like my show and you want to watch some more of my videos, all you gotta do is type in my name into the internet. You know my name. Yeah, it's Blippi. B-L-I-P-P-I. Good job. Now you know how to say and spell my name. Blippi! Until next time, kids. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about.